Welcome back. We are going to do part one of Per Character 3D, which is your key to controlling the look of type on your screen. So without having to rely on effects, you can create your own text effects to do whatever you desire. All right, so the first thing I have here is this is, of course, our famous Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that's going to be the beginning of my 2D and 3D type animation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I can do all things here, and I have nothing going on in the text, nothing at all. So what I need to do is enable Per Character 3D. So if I go to text, and I mouse over a little bit, I can see that there is this little arrow for animate. So the first thing I'm going to do is enable Per Character 3D, and you can see that each piece of text is now its own entity. Okay, so After Effects is going to deal with them individually. All right, so now let's look at, of course, we have all our transform options. This is globally. What we want to transform is the text. Okay, so first thing we need to do actually is add an animator. So we need to tell After Effects, hey, look, we want to animate rotation. So here are all the things that we can animate right here. So I'm going to animate rotation. All right, so I have X, Y, and Z. So I can rotate on the X-axis or horizontally, the Y-axis or vertically, or the Z-axis. And I'm going to, just to show you, I'm going to start with the Y-axis. So I'm putting in 1 for 1 rotation. This right here stands for additional degrees. So right now it's 1 360-degree rotation. Next, I'm going to go to my range selector. And watch what happens here. I have start at 0%, end at 100%. Okay, and when I see that changing, when I scrub through, if I start at 100% here, it's going to go through all of the letters and rotate them, each one 360 degrees. So we have now noticed nothing is happening right now. So we have to add some animation for that to work, and that's our next topic.